Okay, okay. Okay, you're good. Oh. Those are the bushes that we have. They're 20% off or not?
50% discount, 20 or more.
Oh, 20 or more, never mind. Do you want spinach?
It's up to you, babe.
I will be doing a lot of, I will have room.
Like I said, we're not ready for people.
I know, but slowly I will do it. So I can put, no, this is rhubarb.
Well, spinach is over there. They're sitting.
Oh, different. Tomatoes. What is this? Roma. Rebecca. Jalapeno, hot pepper. It doesn't say.
Dwarf cypress.
It's so cute, but so must be this size. Oh, they have another one.
$370.
$369. It's beautiful.
Wow. I would think that could go up in the front, but it's too big.
It's too big. It's really the kind that you're looking for, but it looks like it goes a little. Well, maybe you can control how big you want.
But it is beautiful.
It is. Let me see. Look how cute.
Oh yeah, that's really nice.
That's it.
But someone spent a lot of time trimming that tree to make it look like that.
Yeah, but it's so beautiful. You have to spend the time to keep it in that way too.
And
Oh, they have more. Maybe they have some small ones, like bonsai things. Maybe not.
no, but there might be another spot.
Yeah, it looks like this has much more than.
Mulberry.
Yeah.
Like I said, I really didn't know this was here.
They have maps.
There's no convenient restaurants near here, though.
I know.
It's okay.
We can figure out where to eat. We always do.
Shade. Those are all shade. We had some on our car.
Yeah.
I would imagine you're trying to find something here. If you're trying to find it's kind of hard.
Oh wow.
And we can go back in. There's
Well,
another
I'm
door.
just saying.
I just wanted to see what was out here.
It looks like it's big pines.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe there. Oh, look at the tree they put there.
I'd be going like, where are you going to put that?
I know that.
But it was so cute.